So I'm going to do a very quick little video here from the David Anderson book in relation to this worked example on page 27. So we done this one today already in class. You can see it there just in the corner of the page. And I'm going to work through this one now. It's just carrying points through different views when oblique planes are cutting objects. Okay? So I'm going to set this up first anyway to start with. So I'm going to start in the elevation. I can draw my line here at the bottom. My base, I don't know how long it is, but I know how high up my top line is. So my top line is 50 millimeters high. That's it there. So I can draw this line across also. I also don't know the height of this, but I can get my center line where the points are going to be, the extreme points are going to be sitting on somewhere as well. So I can draw this in here now as well. So if I pick any point here just to start my shape and go at 60 degrees till I hit that center line, I'll then have found the length of the side and I'll be able to work away filling it all in because it's a regular polygon. So 60 degrees. How far away the traces? They're a bit away, so I'll start around here just so I can fit it in. So I'm going up here at 60 degrees. Why am I doing 60 degrees? Because it's 360 degrees in the shape and there's 6 angles, so you divide it by 6, gives you the 60 degrees. So from this point I can go back up 60 degrees now also. So the length of them two sides are the exact same. Now I can get my compass and find out how long the shape is on the bottom and the top. So get the distance of one of the sides, and as I said, because it's a regular polygon shape, all the sides are equal. So there, I can just do my 60 degrees there then again. That's my shape complete in elevation. Then just bring it down to plan, bring down your points. It's 5 millimeters away from the XY line. So 5 millimeters, and the whole length of it is 85. 85. So I'm just going to go over the shape here now with my dark pencil. So I'm going to start my traces first actually, because I'm not going to put in the dark like I did in this one here where it's actually getting cut, because I just want to show you that it's being cut off by that trace, by that oblique plane. So from this corner here, it's over 36 down to the XY line, which is there. And then it's at 45 degrees and 50 degrees. So it's 45 degrees in our plan here. So that's nice and easy. I can use my set square. That's that one. And then 50 degrees in my elevation, which is here. So I'm just going to go over things here now with my HB pencil very quickly, just so they'll stand out a bit better in the video. Portion of them lines, and after about a portion of this line as well when I actually do my cut. But that's how it's starting anyway. And I'm just going to label my stuff in like I always do. So VT for vertical trace, and then HT for horizontal trace. Okay. So in this view is where we can see cut shape of the surface. So this view here that I've done my green hatching in. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to number them points around the hexagon. So I'll start down here, I suppose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. I'm going to find the corresponding points then down the plan. So this is 1, 3, 4, 6, 5, 2. And I'm going to write them out in the front here as well, just so I don't make sure that I don't make the mistake of mixing up points. 1, 3, 4, 6, 5. So in our first example, we came straight across till we hit our HT, straight up to our XY line, and parallel and bring our points up. We're doing the exact same thing, but the other way around. So our first step is bring your point in your elevation straight across until it hits your XY line. So I'm going to start with point 2 here. Bring it straight across till it hits the trace. So I'm going to start, change the color actually on red, because I'm red used for the XY line. So I'm bringing it straight across until I hit my trace. Next step, bring it straight down till you hit the XY line. So there we go. I now go parallel, which is 45 degrees, to my horizontal trace. There, parallel. And I bring down my corresponding point in elevation until it meets. So I bring down point 2. Where they meet there, that now is point 2. So I repeat this process for all of the points. So if I bring across 5, so if I bring across point 5 here, straight across till it hits the trace, bring it down to the XY line, bring it down then here parallel to my horizontal trace. All I have to do is extend it on this way, like so. Bring down point 5 then. Where they meet here, that's now point 5. So point 1 and 2 then, we'll deal with them next. They're nice and straightforward first. So point 1 and 6, sorry, 1 and 6, bring them straight across till they hit the trace. So that's my XY line. Then bring them down parallel, and I just have to bring down these points here to find them. So point 6 is here, and point 1 is now here. Okay, so they were on the traces, they were on the XY line. So bring it across till it hits the trace. Okay, then we normally bring it down to the XY line, but it's on the XY line already, so save the step for us. Then we go parallel with the horizontal trace, which meant that they were just actually on the trace itself. Okay, point 3 and 4 then, my last 2 points. Okay, so we'll go point 3 there first. So first step, bring it straight across till it hits the vertical trace. From the vertical trace, drop it straight down till it hits the XY line. Where it hits the XY line, parallel to the horizontal trace until it crosses the corresponding line. Up there, that's point 3. The yellow mightn't come out great now, it's coming out okay. And 4 is the exact same, so straight across, straight down, down to there, bring down your point here. That's point 4. So all I have to do now is get my darker pencil and line up my points, join up my points here on the plane. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 6, and 6 then back to 1. Okay? So that now is the shape done. So that's the rectangular prism, and it's cut by the oblique plane, the VT, the HT, the oblique plane. So that's that question answered there.